Hello viewers, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to replace the wheel shock on this 2019 Chevy Traverse. It is the same procedure on the 2018 to 2023 Traverse. Let's start by removing this push pin to remove the wheel liner. Not remove it now, maybe I'll remove it halfway, and let's remove those three 15mm bolts. Be careful when you're removing those bolts. The suspension will have a sudden drop when you remove the last bolt, but just anticipate for that. So now let's remove the bottom bolt for the shock. It is a 80mm wrench like this, and remove the bolt on the other side. And the old one's coming out. Good. That one was leaking. It will be the same procedure for you to do on the driver's side as well. There are different part number, but it's the same procedure. Now we're putting our bolt on. So what ended up happening, the bolt's not lining up with the shock. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use a push jack under the lower control arm like this, or you can use the regular jack to pump to push the suspension up to line up the bolt with the shock. Keep going until it's lined up. Almost there. A few more push. Good. Put our bolt in. Put the bolt through. Good. Do the same thing. I have my wrench holding the nut in the back. And put everything in. And that's it, guys. Take your vehicle in for an alignment and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.